What up, y'all? Hopefully, Mike's fixed, so now y'all don't gotta worry about fucking peaking and sounding like actual shit. But this is how I made $570 right after I lost 500. And yesterday I had a break-even trade where I hit first take profit and then moved my stops and got stopped out. And then I tried entering again, and it had my stop loss at 25 and I instantly got stopped out, which I definitely should have changed that. So that's my definitely my own fault. Don't make your stop loss. And then we're just continuing to dump. I literally could have extended it down here. We just took out that. That's crazy. But why did I take this trade? On the 4 hour, we have been in bullish, um, pretty bullish structure, all right? In every gap that we've made, we have came down, filled it, and then continued moving up. So after sweeping this liquidity up here, this high time frame liquidity, and this is previous. This is Thursday, the New York highs. So after we sweep that, I'm like, okay, I'm assuming that we're going to want to move towards this gap and fill it and continue moving higher, which is exactly what we did. And then come down to the 15 minute after seeing that. Let's mark out market open real fast. Market open is right here. Bam. And then we also take out this liquidity, this high right here, gets taken out, bam, with that wick right there. And then if we go in the 5 minute, right here, this wick up, we form an order block taking out that liquidity. Then we come back, tap into it. Then we break structure on the 15, back down, and then I entered on the 15 minute break of structure. Yeah, targeting this low right here, targeting this 4 hour fair value gap. And yeah, banged for $570. I just lost 488. I don't even know what the fuck happened there, but heck yeah. Stops right at the most recent highs. First, I had this as a take profit, this as a take profit, and then finally my last take profit, which was the EQ of that right there. And they all got banged. They all got banged pretty very, 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 very nicely. Very good. And you can see 15 minute break. And then we also have a good thing on the 15 minute as well. I didn't. I mean, I was already in the trade, but we inverse this, which was amazing as well. Completely inverse this gap right here. So amazing. Could have. I honestly, if I would have entered on like order block tap, like when we, or if it's like if we order block like that, and I probably would just put them up there. Could have had a little bit better risk to reward, but it's all good. I'm not too worried about it. No news Friday, dude. I will take it. That was the trade today. Literally not even an up candle. Probably up candles on, yeah. But I think it was a pretty decent trade. Especially as you can see what we've been doing. Every 4 hour gap that we have made, we come down and fill and then continue to move higher. Sweeped out this liquidity, and then like the S&P, we're at all-time highs now, and it would have been a little bit better because of the SMT put in. There was a bearish SMT put in, and that's why I traded on Nasdaq today instead of this, because I wasn't sure. Because I'm pretty sure we've tapped that same gap, and we're literally moving almost identically on both indexes now. But it's all good. I made my bread for the day. Let's go back to it. Let's show you one more time. Show up our liquidity. Taps it back into order block. Then we have the 15 minute get inversed, which I was already entered before that because I just know how the market is going to want to move. So hopefully on the Nasdaq we can come and take out these all-time highs tomorrow. I'm really hoping. But it was a pretty good trade on the day. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I think what I could have done better though with my entry is that if I could have waited for this once we came up here and swept out this liquidity and then tapped back into it, as you can see, we're like kind of rejecting. We tap into it a couple times and then just continue moving down. So yeah, I think I could have had a better entry, or especially like this 1 minute. Yeah, like that. If I would have came to the 1 minute and then waited for like a tap into EQ of it, then we would have been golden. Like even that on the 5 minute would have been perfect, because if I would have entered here, once it hits EQ, it wouldn't have got stopped out. But I think on the 1 minute, if I would have tried to enter on like this first tap, well, no, I wouldn't have got stopped out, because I would have my stops higher, especially from entering from an order block tap. But I waited. I seen order block tap, and then I waited for that 5 minute break, and then without even realizing, we had this 15 minute gap gets ran through, which just makes it even better for me. So, oh yeah, that's the trade that I took today. A little short one for you, ladies and gentlemen. I didn't have no lights on. Oh well, I'll get used to it, dude. It looks so good when I'm looking at it through here, and then I upload it to YouTube, and it actually looks like shit fart. So, I really don't look that bad, but at least the mic's better. I didn't even realize for the longest time I was literally using the mic out of the webcam, and it sounded like ass. So, it's got to be better than that at least. Love y'all. Keep trading. This is day like 94. Funded on the way. I know I say it every time, but it's coming, I swear.